Transport of Respiratory Gases BHMS Physiology first Introduction. Respiratory gases are transported between the lung and tissue through the bloodstream. Key gases involve oxygen O2 and carbon dioxide CO2. Oxygen transport. Role of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin Hb is a red blood cell blend with oxygen in lung. Oxyhemoglobin. This oxyhemoglobin dissociates in tissue, release oxygen for cellular respiration. Factor oxygen transport. Partial pressure of oxygen PO2 in the lung and tissue. Affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen affected by pH, temperature, CO2 level, Bohr effect. Carbon dioxide. As bicarbonate HCO3. CO2 is diffused into red blood cell combining with water to form carbonic acid. Carbonic anhydrase enzyme catalyze the conversion of carbonic acid, bicarbonate and oxygen ion. Other method of CO2 transport dissolved in plasma 5 to 10% bound to hemoglobin as carbanohemoglobin 20 to 30%. Regulation of respiration. Chemoreceptors. Central chemoreceptor in brainstem monitor CO2 level and pH of cerebrospinal fluid. Peripheral chemoreceptor is carotid and aortic body since change in O2, CO2 and pH in blood. Conclusion. Understanding the mechanism of respiration gas transport is crucial for maintaining homeostasis. Recap the main point. Oxygen transport via hemoglobin, CO2 transport as bicarbonate and regular mechanisms.